omo corrugated na we go box corrugated asibe ko babwate Boomerang ayuali aye chigech emeronge tato asama bati ali aye chigech emeronge bire na Isano na sato mbabwate tile provels alia a oriental elegantal versatile grows na we go na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na we go web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala buna bonelia Chaco Gray, Bricky Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue, na wigo na Green. Obutambe bwe mabwatiriga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwatiriga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom. Onyare kabo gokwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenya ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom. Wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Revia na ndo mwanchi muri Getembe TV ekene Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ritukore Jumapili tinyino yoka no mwaka rwibekiri bubere 2025 ende etogo sava okwabera akobani gotwanyorirwe ake natogo chaka nigo mubaro otamanyiribwa abantu eyemagega yenyombe yemo yagoraba ogwa ensemo ya iterio boroso ase bono gose nige igo nyombe yo yagendete kwagacha kwikirabo niga nigo abobisa abo bagotore mebasikona nabo igo omorero kurwase serikali ya county ya Kisii bai tomoke rekona kebona mbanyare goto meye kwikirabo ni go tokumanya to bane baikire gotorwa ase barusi ase nyombe yo nabo igo kumnyokirwa ase nsembo ya nyagitari ase nyagitari kunenjere yamo yokonyoro bokonyi. Makeyo magigayo muri kibwekia magia jupiri Muske Jeremiah Kioni gutara ase kaunti ya Kisii na kuboria bagusi bonsi kwerikia ne kiamekyo eriko chikumubwatisia Muske Daktari Fred Matiang'i ase ganga yaye yokorigia ekirogo kyoborai bwense aso bochori boro mutu wo mwaka 2027 igo bono omwana siasa oyomo kuri bunge ya Kitutu Chache South ase Rieta Daniel Ongoto eso kire na kumuboria Muske David Maraga oyunere ase chinguma chigoteba buna nigo muna chibina oyumokoro Muske Chief Justice David Maraga ari ganga yogo chakoriga ekiro kyo borai bwense nigo bono Daniel Ongoto amuborire gotigana nayo nabo kumubwatisia Muske Daktari Fred Matiang'i ase ganga yayo koriga ekiro kyo borai bwense
Maraga kuingia katika kinyang'anyiro cha urais, hiyo ni udhani. Yeye mwenyewe hajajitolea na aseme anataka kiti cha urais. Maraga alifanya
The SIB program ni program ya kutoka ILO ambayo inasaidia watu kuanzisha biashara. Reason tumefanya hii training hapa Kisii ni ya kwamba watu wengi wanapitia vocational training colleges, wanafunzwa mambo ya kususa, mambo ya carpentry, mambo ya masonry. Tunataka watu wasitafute kazi but ila wanaweza hata anzisha kazi zao. So tumefunza instructors 20 kutoka hapa Kisii County ili waweze wale trainees wanafunza huko kwa vocational training colleges waweze kujiajiri. Wakimaliza kwa mfano ususi wanaweza anza salon zao, wakimaliza masonry ama carpentry wanaweza anza biashara zao. Na sio hapa Kisii peke yake, wanaweza anza hizo biashara all over the country. So tumekuwa na instructors 20 ambao wamehitimu siku ya leo ambao watasupport Kisii County create jobs and wakicreate jobs wale vijana wataweza kujiajiri na wataweza kuajiri watu wengine.
Now able to know how to generate a business idea, starting up a business and helping entrepreneurs to improve their own businesses. We will proceed to the VTCs to have a training for the VTC instructors. We are expected to train 100 trainees by the end of December.
We are going to move forward to training others because the information or the training that we have received is very vital to our lives and to the youths in the ground. So we thank you all the participants who have participated and the ILO at large. We know that you are going to continue moving with us so that we can be able to train the youths at the ground.
We are working with Kisii County to do this, and we have so many other projects that we are doing together with Kisii County, this just being one of them. We have already trained our sub-county admins in Kisii, we have trained our chiefs, we have trained the prosecution department, and so this is just the tip of the iceberg. We are happy to do this. The Axel project has 4 technical spaces. Livelihoods is one of them. OSH is occupational safety and health. We are also looking at decent transition to decent jobs by the youth, space that this program is also going to. Agriculture is the backbone of Kenya.
abune gati yaboro kiwa emeronge bere kora chiskuru chime yorogongora gusi kose anene muno kurase orogongora gusi abo banyora amayigerio igore chinchera baracha kyo bonchurira oboke erio kwenyorera engere ya keraritko nabo yokonyora chibesa bagendereri ase amagima abo umonchi muno ngomanya buna amayigerio ayo nigo aineno ne kyombeke International Labour Organization korwa ase Chinsa cheisko na moigore aboro kiwabo nigo babwate obosemia obiake gima nabo igomba chikwanza ndia ase amagima keraritko natoge Otoni gobono muraibu kiama kirikia waipa moske Steven Kalonzo Musyoka agenderere komo mocho muraibu nsi ya Kenya moske Daktari William Samoei Ruto anene mono ase oburaibu aye ase bono agendere kumuruka omonto omurimo kabisa nagoteba nero ogere uchumi nsi ya Kenya yasukire inse gose yasarekira ase bono amuborire aitige emirimo rimoyoka.
National structures are shaken, the legislature, the judiciary, by the executive. Everybody is compromised. Today's headlines in the Nation, in the Standard, a former Attorney General and the immediate Minister for Public Service has put it so clearly that the foundations are shaken because of corruption. Even the spirit of submission has befallen William Ruto. Today I say, akishindwa in 2027 ako tayari kukubali na atakuwa mkulima. Amesema hiyo leo because of the powerful mission here. The foundations will be rebuilt. Before you harass Wavinya or Malombe or Junior, please answer what Muturia said today. That you are irredeemably corrupt. Yani hakuna dawa ya ugonjwa. Bora tuende kwa Yesu nyenyekee pale mflatten. These days I prostrate myself, Pastor. When I feel I need to repent. This is the time to repent. Lie flat. Karibu nitafute sackcloth. Because ukivalia hiyo, then it becomes real serious business. People need to wear sackcloth in this country to repent the criminal acts of sabotage. To the extent that our leader is named number 2 most corrupt leader in the world, that was before Assad was overthrown and went on exile to Moscow. Now the reigning champion of corruption in the world is the president of Kenya. And that president will say, I'm sending people, EACC, to go and harass Mutula, to harass Wavinya. Please, please, be honest. This is a time to even resign. So,
na Justin Muturi, kwa hivyo ni mtu ambaye alikuwa tufahamu sana. Anatoboa mambo, lakini pia kila mmoja na maoni yake. Nataka kumuuliza pia Justin Muturi, kwa nini maneno haya hakuwasema wakati akiwa kule ndani? Ayasema leo wakati ashatolewa.
Alikuwa akisifu kama ambao hakuna lolote. Afadhali mimi ambaye kwamba nikikosoa na kosoa. Kuna wengine walikuwa akisifu kisha baadaye sasa aona ya kuwa kitumbua kimeingia mchanga ndio ni pabaya. And I agree. And I want you guys to actually raise it as a substantive motion in parliament to discuss it. That someone who has evidence against any ill doing against the people of Kenya should not use it for political gain, lakini aende tupeleke to the right authorities. EACC iko, EDCI iko.
Yasikomee hapa. Kuna madai mazito sana ambaye ametoa Mheshimiwa Justin Muturi. Na tungemuomba sasa achukue hatua, afike pale kwenye vitengo vya uchunguzi na polisi, awasilishe stakabadhi ambazo yako nazo ili Wakenya waweze kujua ukweli ya yale madai ambaye ametoa.
Kwa sababu mimi pia nina mengi ya kusema juu yake. Mimi kabla ya uchaguzi ya 2022 alikuwa speaker yangu. Nilimwendea. Nikamwambia, "Hey bwana speaker, si usupport baba yangu anataka kuwa president." Aliniambia, "Afadhali hii mwizi yetu ambaye anaitwa Ruto kushinda baba yako." Sasa leo Ruto amekuwa mtu mbaya jameni kwake. La pili, mimi kama mbunge nataka kuleta mswada nyingine. Yeye ameongea juu ya mambo yote, hakuongea juu ya mambo moja. Kuna jumba hapo bunge inaitwa Bunge Towers, ambayo kuna maofisi ya wabunge. Hiyo nyumba wakati tumekaa chini kama wabunge ilikuwa inafaa ijengwe na 6 billion. Wakati Muturi anatoka kwa ofisi, hiyo jumba ilijengwa na 27 billion. Hapo pia afafanulie sisi kidogo ili tujue hiyo jumba imetoka 6 billion namna gani na ikafika 27 billion. Fafanua hiyo pia.
Kume mwancho mureni nchikoira na agaiga nche Catherine Nyaboga noyo minto Wilson Makori croissance medio muno abimanyire tokareta na yande asenchira eyo bwenge boigo toskari genda kubatemira buriyanse ya Getembe TV wesame wemanye na boyo bwego kechinga kichonse Wilfred Matunda na ero genda tokoneke una chibiche chiga na melegi wekachire asenchira yo bukaro genda gutwara burigiri borobya asemero buryo igogwatia.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Sha Ceramics ni gubago kwa a special offer bunu iga asachi tile au nokugora chikaton emeronge toto nigo kwa growth kilo isato bosa gukora chikaton meronge ta nigo kwa kilo isano na isato bosa gukora chikaton emerongo etano ne tato nigo kwa kilo emerongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende size and onse niko okoegwa eye asichi brand bego chinde chonspe chi wall tile kitairi chance na boigo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60 samange ba kresimese number 0703 943972 ajirago cha aseduka ya American Sons Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisii opposite Mucha Place.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yega babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwata no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwata boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia yechigeche merongibire na Isano na Isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya complex imiyumu chuligo busongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simigwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone